Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Gamepass in PLS Donate. First, open your web browser and head over to the Roblox website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once there, find the Create tab at the top of the page and click on it. From the Creation page, select Experiences and then pick the specific experience you want to associate your Gamepass with. This is the crucial first step to getting your Gamepass ready for donations. Now that you've selected your experience, look for associated items on the left-hand menu and click on it. Then, select Passes from the options. You'll see a button that says Create a Pass. Click this to begin. You'll need to upload an image for your Gamepass, so pick something relevant. After that, give your Gamepass a memorable name and a short, descriptive explanation. This helps players understand what they are buying. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, are you tired of messy lunches? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your Gamepass is created, click on it to access its configuration page. On the left-hand side, you'll find a Sales tab. Click there to proceed. You'll see a toggle labeled Item for Sale. Make sure to switch this to the On position. This activates the Gamepass for purchase. Finally, enter the amount of Robux you want to sell your Gamepass for. Remember, Roblox takes a percentage, so factor that into your pricing. After setting your price, it's vital to save your changes to ensure everything is updated correctly. Once saved, you're ready to see your Gamepass in action. Launch the Roblox game PLS Donate and join a server. When you're in the game, look for an empty stand and claim it. Your newly created Gamepass, along with its set price, will automatically appear on your stand, ready for other players to purchase and donate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.